Like many of these small businesses in Western Jamaica, entrepreneurs in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth have lost millions of dollars in equipment and products due to the devastating impact of Hurricane Melissa. But for them, it's a story of resilience. When our news team visited Manifest Plaza, shop owners were cleaning the debris from the flood. Amarine Foster is the proprietor for Easy Door Flowers.
We do bridal gowns, jacket suits, gift items, gift baskets. We lost just about 95% of what is in here. At the moment, we're trying to do some cleanup, but it's a far way to go, maybe another 2-3 weeks.
Despite the setback, she is looking towards the future.
You were telling me that you lost a piece of equipment. Tell me which equipment you lost so someone who's watching would be able to probably grant you another one to get your business rolling.
We have a double door cooler that we keep the fresh flowers in. Just buy it. It's new brand, but we lose it. So we wouldn't mind if somebody could offer us one for the time being.
She says she will be open for business and she can be contacted via phone at 876-437-2500 or email at easydoorflowers@gmail.com. A couple doors down at a AAA meat shop, Antonio says he lost over $1 million worth of meat.
Flood all the way up to your waist. Bad. Fridge gem damage, computer system damage, everything, honestly.
What can the government do or someone who is doing relief efforts do to help you, sir?
Well, obviously, if they can give us a grant to start, but that would be very, 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 very good. I don't know what they can do, but I'd highly appreciate it. Honestly, I'd highly appreciate it.
All right, so what are your plans for the future? Are you giving up or you have hope you can get everything started again?
No, I'm not giving up, you know. That is not an option because it's business overall. It's business overall. So right now, I'm going to continue. So I'm just doing some cleaning right now to get everything started back as soon as possible.
He says he also lost dry goods and he's yet to check on his deep freezers that shows evidence of flood damage.
Because I lose rice, flour, peas, meats may end up reaching late because the road was blocked. So I couldn't get the chance to come across the water. So it's a lot. Honestly, it's a lot. So we have to just pick the pieces up right now. That's all it is. Yeah.
What do you have to say about other entrepreneurs like you who is devastated? I just interviewed someone a while ago. She's crying. Any words of encouragement because you're a fighter, right? Any words of encouragement to your fellow Jamaicans who have lost homes or businesses?
My word is don't give up because that's not an option. It's just a part of life because it's just a natural disaster. It's just a natural disaster, so never give up. Just continue.
In New Holland, Mr. Kaka's bar was destroyed. The only evidence of its existence is the tiled floor and what was once his collection of unique liquor and glass bottled sodas. Tell me about your bar. What was the name and how long was it open?
I have 30 odd year now. Same board bar, 30 odd year. Heavy liquor. Yeah. And good friends and things pass through. No, you don't get no eyeglass at this bar. TV mash up, fridge gone, liquor gone.
Despite the setback, Mr. Kaka says he will reopen as soon as possible to provide a rest stop for his community and those traveling the corridor heading towards Black River.